Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add audio in your Google Docs. I'm going to be showing you two ways. The first one is we will attach our or maybe someone else's voice recording or song to your document. And the second way is going to be that we will add a button which is going to read your document aloud. So those are two different needs, and let's start with the first one. So let's say we would like to add some kind of audio here. What we can do, we can go to Google Drive and we are going to upload it on our drive. So click on New, File Upload. You want to find your document in your computer. So I have this audio file here from my video. I'm gonna upload it in the drive. Once this is finished, you can find the video, click on it. And after that, we want to click on this icon, share. If you don't see it at the top, you can right click on the file and click on share again. And here we want to allow this access to anyone with the link. And then we can copy the link so anyone can listen to audio. If you don't want, you can just keep it restricted for yourself. And then we can go to our document. And now you can just place cursor on maybe empty space, or if you want to add this inside the text, like make a hyperlink, you can select the text, right click, click on insert link, or you can use this shortcut, Ctrl K, and then simply paste the link you copied from Google Drive, click on apply, and now whenever someone clicks on this text, it's going to show him this preview, so he can click on it and it's going to play this audio file as you can see on Google Drive. And you can also do that if you want to place it somewhere else, click on insert link. And then in this top menu bar, you will type the text, audio file, click on apply, and now you have audio file hyperlinked in your document. So this is the first way. Now, second way, if you want to read this document aloud with the button, for example, I can click at the end of my document, click on insert in this menu, and here you're gonna find audio buttons. So this is a new, and you can click on this listen to the tab, and this will create this button. So if you don't want to read this by yourself, you can click on it.
Placeholder text.
It will show you this timeline. Here you can drag it if you click on those 6 dots next to it, and you can just play audio aloud. You can change also the speed of the audio. You can change like the voice or narrator, and that's it. So those are two ways how you can add audio in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.